Air duct cleaning. Why you should do it and how it's done. Brought to you by the folks at CleanCo, carpet and air duct cleaning. Learn more at cleanco-wa.com. Air ducts collect contaminants like dirt, dust, dander, allergens, nasty little mites, rodents and their droppings, and even mold, which can cause serious health problems. The National Air Duct Cleaners Association says that dirty air ducts contribute to health issues for people with respiratory problems, autoimmune disorders, asthma, and allergies. The Environmental Protection Agency says that homes are 2 to 5 times more polluted than the outdoors. Sounds to me like it's time to get those air ducts clean. Here at CleanCo, we use an industry-leading truck-mounted vacuum system. This truck is one big vacuum cleaner. As you can see here, it's quite powerful. Here at CleanCo, we use only the very best and newest equipment to ensure quality service. Here you see the technician creating an access point and then installing a coupler that will receive the hose that we attach to the truck-mounted vacuum. Now we're going to cover all of the vents in the home with a plastic film. This helps restrict airflow and create maximum vacuum at each vent as it's being cleaned. Here we use a spinning wire brush attachment to clean the boot and the connected duct. As you can see, the brush loosens any debris in the boot and the vent, and then the truck that's sitting all the way out in the driveway pulls it right out of the system. Now we use a high-pressured air hose with a ball attachment. This is designed to prevent damage even in flexible air duct. It's inserted all the way into the ductwork to stir up any debris so that the vac truck can pull it right from the system. Here you can see that the vac truck all the way out in the driveway is powerful enough to hold this vent diffuser against the ceiling while the technician inserts the screws. Now the technician makes an access point for these powerful air whips that get inserted into the ductwork and break loose anything that might be stuck to the sides. Free it up and let the vacuum pull it out of the system. Here you can see him cleaning inside the furnace compartment. He'll clean the blower motor and the A-coil if it's present. When he's finished, the technician will install an access cover to seal up the holes where we originally made access to the system. This allows us to come back and easily re-clean at a later date. Sanitizers and deodorizers may be added to each vent to give your home that clean, fresh air that your family deserves. Thanks for watching, everybody, and keep your eye out for more informative videos from CleanCo Carpet and Air Duct Cleaning. Now that's better.